Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to add overlay in VN video editor. So here I have my video that I've been inserted into the VN editor page, and I'm going to add overlay into it. So what you need to do is you can just click on the plus icon at the tab to add sticker option, and here I'm going to choose video or photo. Okay, so I'm going to choose photo and I'm going to choose this as the overlay. So what you need to do is I'm going to adjust the duration first, that so that it fits into the video, and then next I'm going to remove the green background. So what you need to do is click on the overlay and choose chroma. Click on that, and now you can just put the picker into the green screen like this, and then click on a check icon if you satisfied with the result. And now the overlay has been added into your video in VN. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can add overlay in VN. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you got any questions, feel free to drop it in a comment. Don't forget to click on like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.